In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell your domain on the Namecheap. So the first thing that you'd like to do is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type namecheap.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen of the website. If you have an account, make sure to click at sign in option, then fill your username, password, and click at sign in to log in into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure to simply click at sign up to create an account. Once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself on something like this, which is going to be your main screen once you logged in into your account. As we said, we would like to sell our domain name on the Namecheap. Now, you would like to go into your domain list right here. And of course, here you will find all your domain names. And if you want to sell someone, just navigate through it and find it. Find the one that you would like to sell, and then click on the manage button next to your domain, of course, that you want to sell. Once you're here, scroll down a bit until kind of the bottom of the page and into this other domain settings. It's going to be the last one. Then, of course, now from here, you'll be able to sell this domain. Just click on it. And as you can see here, you would like to fill the price you're asking for. And of course, you would like to enter the list period and even the adult list if it's an adult listing. And you can check this option of send me an email when this domain is successfully sold and simply click add sell domain. And as you can see here, they're telling you the domain listed on Marketplace has a domain privacy subscription. It will be sold along with the domain. So be careful about this. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.